All right, this is going to be Sweet Leaf by Black Sabbath. We're going to have our distortion set. Now, this is going to be a version that's in standard tuning. So I think this is one of those ones where they detuned like a step and a half. So they would have been up on the 8th fret doing this stuff, and we're going to be on the 5th fret. Plays out just about the same. So we're just going to be in C sharp minor instead of like kind of E minor pentatonic when the solo comes and stuff. Okay, so the first thing is this A power chord. Okay, so there's some slides. The first two are kind of just normal, but then when you get into, you can kind of slide into that 5 eventually, but you're gonna have a 5, 4, 3 on the A string, and these are power chords. So that's 5 and 7 on the top two. You can have a chick chick, and it's like a slide from the 5 to the 4, and then you pick the 3. So. And then you're going to slide back in the 3 to 5. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Two more. Okay, and then the verse starts, and the verse is going to go 8 of those. So it's like 6 to get it set up, and Ozzy sings a little bit, and then the actual verse starts and goes for 8. Now, when that verse is done, let's do just a little bit more. Let's say 4 times, 2, 3, and. Got the A, G, C. Okay, so A, 5 and 7 up top. I think 3 and 5 for G. Go down a string for the C, 3 and 5. That's an E up there, E power chord, 7 and 9 on the starting on the A string. You can go to your A down there, you can go to that A over here in the 5, 7. And then we'll have. So it ends up going 4 times of that. Now, when we get back into that main riff again, we're going to add an octave of that this time. We're going to go. And he does a little bit more sliding around, so you can kind of slide into this big 5 and 7 on the D right here, A octave. Kind of slide into it and out. Kind of slide into that 5 and kind of go out of that one. So there's slides all over the place in this octave thing. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so it continues on like that. We're going to have 6 of those setting up the next verse, 8 of those for the verse, and then we're back into our thing where you can do the octaves on this riff thing too. So you can do your octave thing. And then we're going to have. Okay, so we have 4 of those A chords. We got. Now we're gonna have a couple of B's up in here. That's gonna have like a hold for like 3 beats. It's gonna be like, it's kind of like a and 1, 2, 3 and. So it's kind of like a bum, dum, dum, bum, bum, kind of a thing like that. And then we get into the solo where we got. So it starts out with a 6/7 on the second string. So we have a 6/7, and then a hammer-on pull-off, 6/7/6, 6 on the G string, and that gets us into our pattern. So it's kind of like it has these 2 notes to start it, and then our pattern's going to be. Okay, so it's like lead-in notes. So it ends up going 16 times, and it goes 6, 7 into 9. So I'm going to come in. This is going to be the 4th beat that has these 2 notes to lead in. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to be in that repeating riff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully that was 16. Anybody count? I don't know. So now looking at the solo here, we're going to have. So we have, basically you could jam out on this C sharp minor pentatonic. Most of what he's doing is like. And then he gets down into this lower position down in here as well. Going down to that lower position. Okay, so let's take a look. We got 3 bends on that 12. Pull off to that 9, then double pull off on the 11 to 9. That 11 on the D, so. And then we have a. So we got a 9, bend the 11, 9, 9, 12, bend the 12. So, and then 2 more bends. Now we're going to get into a 16th note phrase. Okay, so it's 3E and a 4E and a 1. So it's bend, bend, 3E and a 4E and a 1, 1E and a 2E and a 3 and 4. So from the beginning we got. Okay, then we have more bends. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4E, and so we got bends to that little 9, pull off 12, 9 to 11, and then we're gonna have a pull off here. So that was the little string, and then 2 more bends, another 16th note thing. This one goes lower, quicker, so. So we got. Now we're into a new riff. We have 4th fret here. We got. Okay, so that's C sharp, power chord there. And kind of slide that A to the A flat to the G. Do that 3 times. 3rd time we hold it. We're back into the main riff. So 6 of those again, then 8 of those for the verse, and we're back into that riff. And you could have your octaves going. And then we just do the main riff and we kind of repeat and fade. So let's try that. 3 and 4 and. to set yourself up a little pad to kind of do the solo there, to be like, that's the main line of it. And then he goes, so that last one goes right down that pentatonic flat fifth scale.